Shut up and sit down.
Alright, good evening ladies and mushroom tips. Just thought I'd do a quick video to show you why I use Kero for cleaning. The rag, dirty rag, and we've got a dirty exhaust. Just spray a little bit on, didn't even coat the whole thing. That's how good kerosene is. You can see the difference there. And give that a quick spray. That one squirt. There we go. While I'm here, may as well give this a little plate. Oh, that's way too much. Just a little bit of elbow grease. Remember, this is a dirty rag to start with. There you go. So any bare metal surface, kerosene's the way to go. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a great night, and as always, let the good times roll.